A chimpanzee, often shortened to chimp, is a species of great ape native to the forests and savannas of tropical Africa. They belong to the genus Pan, which also includes their closest relative, the bonobo. Along with gorillas and orangutans, chimpanzees are among humanity's closest living relatives in the animal kingdom, sharing an incredible amount of evolutionary history with humans. Here are 10 amazing facts about chimpanzees. 1. Almost human. Chimpanzees share about 98.7% of their DNA with humans. Because of this close genetic connection, they share many of our traits, including expressions of joy, grief, empathy, and even a similar structure for their hands and feet. 2. Masters of the tool trade. Chimpanzees are incredibly innovative. They don't just use objects they find, they actually modify them for specific tasks. For example, they strip the leaves off branches to create long, flexible sticks perfect for fishing termites out of narrow nest holes. 3. Diverse communication patterns. They communicate just like a complex society does. Chimpanzees use a combination of vocalizations, hand gestures, body posture, and facial expressions to talk to one another. Their most famous call is the pant hoot, a loud, unique vocalization used to identify individual chimps and show excitement. 4. Surprising physical strength. Don't let their size fool you. Ounce for ounce, a chimpanzee is roughly 1.5 times stronger than an average human. Their muscle fibers are adapted for explosive power and swinging through trees, giving them immense pulling strength. 5. Complex social structures. Chimps live in large communities called fissions fusion societies, usually ranging from 20 to more than 100 members. The community dynamically splits into smaller subgroups to forage for food during the day and gathers back together at night. 6. Grooming as social currency. For a chimpanzee, grooming isn't just about hygiene, it's a critical political tool. Spending hours picking bugs and dirt out of each other's fur helps build strong social alliances, calm tension, and establish trust within the community hierarchy. 7. Self-medicating experts. When chimps feel sick or have parasites, they know exactly which plants to look for. Scientists have observed them swallowing specific, bitter leaves whole to flush out intestinal parasites, showcasing a rudimentary understanding of natural medicine. 8. They have memory superpowers. In certain short-term memory tests, young chimpanzees can actually outperform adult humans. When numbers are flashed on a screen for a fraction of a second, chimps can remember their exact locations in order much faster and more accurately than we can. 9. Nightly tree nesting. Chimpanzees build a fresh nest high up in the trees every single night. They carefully weave together branches and leaves to create a sturdy, comfortable mattress. This keeps them safe from ground predators like leopards while they sleep. 10. They can walk on 2 legs. While their primary way of getting around on the ground is knuckle walking, using the knuckles of their hands for balance, chimps can walk upright on 2 legs when they need to. They often do this to carry food, tools, or when looking over tall grass. And that wraps up our 10 mind-blowing facts about the chimpanzee. If you loved hanging out with our closest wild relatives today, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for your regular dose of animal trivia. Stay curious, and thanks for watching.